Student, our second chapter under GK is sea animals. Means animals, those living beings, those live in sea or ocean. There are many seas on the earth. Thousands of species of animals live in them. They are called sea animals. Scientists believe that there are thousands of sea animals that are yet to be discovered. Okay, means scientists, according to their researches, they believe that there are still some species of animal that are yet to be discovered, जिन्हें अभी भी डिस्कवर किया जाना है. Okay, so read the description of the animals and write their names. Take help from the given clues, and clues are sea anemone, lungfish, piranha, mandarin fish, sea urchin, and dugong. Okay, let us read the first one. It is a colorful fish which lives on the reefs of seas. It has a beautiful patterned body, making it the most beautiful of all the fishes living in the seas. Now, I'm not able to describe you in this picture, so let us see other picture of sea and okay. Now here, this you can see the pattern, a beautiful pattern on its body. Now this is the image of mandarin fish. Our answer of first is mandarin fish. MANDARINFISH. Your mandarin fish. Okay. You can see how beautiful is it. Okay. Now second one. It is a large marine mammal found in the warm waters surrounding Indonesia and Australia. It is a mammal and it mainly found in the surrounding of Indonesia and Australia. Its tail is forked like the tail of a shark. Its tail, you can see the tail. It is forked like the tail of shark. It is strictly herbivores. Okay, let me show you its another picture. Now this is our fish, and the name of this animal is dugong. Okay, you can see this dugong. The latter tail is just like a shark, and it is a mammal. Okay, then you can see it is eating a plant product because it is strictly a herbivorous. Okay, now let us read the third one. It is commonly found along rocky ocean floor in both shallow and deep water. It is an omnivore and mainly feeds on algae. Okay, it is omnivore. It eats both plant product and also the animals. Okay, and where we found it? We found it along rocky ocean floor in the both shallow and deep water. ये गहरे पानी में भी हमें मिलेंगी और उथले पानी में भी मिलेंगी. Okay. Let us see other image of this. Now this, see, this is sea urchin. The name of this particular animal is sea urchin, and what it mainly feeds, it feeds algae. Okay, now let us move on the fourth point. It is a stinging polyp that spends most of its time attached to rocks on the bottom of the sea or on coral reefs, waiting for the fish to pass close enough to get captured in its venom filled tentacles. Okay, you can see these tentacles, they are filled with venom. Okay, means this particular species is venomous. Let me see you pictures, some other picture. This is okay. Why we are calling it polyp? Because its shape is something cylindrical. Okay, mainly where it found? It found in coral reefs. Okay. Now the fifth one. The answer of this particular fourth answer is sea anemone. Okay. You can see the spelling in your clues. SEAANEMONE. Sea anemone. Okay. As I said, I will send you the separate answer that you have to fill in your book. मैं आपको सेपरेटली आंसर भेज दूंगा. ओके, जो आपको आपकी बुक में राइट डाउन करने हैं और आपको आज ही के दिन वो मुझे जो भी पर्टिकुलर टाइम में मेंशन करूँ आपको ग्रुप में, उसमें आपको वह भेज देना उस टाइम से पहले तक. ओके, इन चैप्टर्स की पिक और राइटिंग, अच्छी राइटिंग में लिखना है आपको. ओके, and no need to fill all the chapters as the answers are given in your book. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि अगर आपने ओल्ड बुक परचेज़ की है तो आंसर्स होंगे फिल, और अगर आपने न्यू बुक परचेज़ की है तो भी आप पीछे से देख के आंसर फिल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आप इन्हें एकदम से कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश ना करें. वट एवर आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू, आप उस पर फोकस करें. ओके, नाउ द फिफ्थ वन. It is one of the deadliest animals with long triangular shaped sharp teeth. It is a carnivore found in silver, orange, and black colors. It is about the size of an adult human being's hand. Okay. किसी ठीक अच्छी एज के इंसान के हाथ के बराबर इसका साइज होता है. And it mainly found in silver, orange, and black colors. Okay, and it is carnivore. It only eats animal product, means as a food it only consumes animals, not plant product. Okay, and why it is called the deadliest animal? Because its teeth are so sharp, as we can you can't see in this picture. Let me show you other picture of piranha. Here you can see its teeth. Okay, how sharp it is. This is piranha fish. Okay, now let us move to the last one. It is found in South America, Africa, and Australia. It feeds on snails and plants. It stores fat for sustenance during hibernation. Okay, during their hibernation process, it stores fat. ये अपनी बॉडी में फैट जमा कर लेती. Okay, then it is mainly found in South America, Africa, and Australia. And what it feeds? It feeds on snails and plant product. And what is the name of the fish? It is lungfish. Let me show you some other pictures of lungfish. This is okay. Here you can see lungfish. Okay. Now, so answer of the first one is mandarin fish. Second one is dugong. This is dugong. Okay. Third one is sea urchin. It is sea urchin. Fourth one is sea anemone. And fifth one is piranha fish. And last, this is lung fish. Here your chapter 2 also